everybody, my name is Mr. Monopoly, and welcome to the Metaverse. Now, before we get into the exciting news that I got today, but first of all, sorry, I don't got my microphone right now, but don't worry, we got some exciting news today, so that doesn't even matter right now. Currently, Bitcoin at $70,000 flat. That's basically all we need to look at right now, because that's not what's important right now. We got the Bitcoin halving, 3,000 blocks remaining, April 20th, 2024. Halving is literally just around the corner. That's all we need to look at right now. And one thing that I've been interested in a lot is meme tokens. Unfortunately, I haven't hit any at all. Yeah, a lot of meme coins, Dogecoin, Shiba Coin, Dog, Shiba Inu, whatever, Pepe Cat with hat, all these floki coins. I want to get involved in this, just for the fun of it. And specifically, if you know me, you know that I love the Cardano ecosystem. So yes, can I launch a coin on, let's say, I don't know, like on the Ethereum blockchain and make, $1 million market cap in 1 day or 2 days, just because there's just more hype and more liquidity there? Yes, I can. Can I do the same thing with Solana, since Solana's been pumping recently and everybody's into Solana meme coins? Yes, I could also do that as well. But my heart is focused on Cardano and Cardano only, because I just really love the network. I've never had any issues, never shuts down. It's just great, Honestly, there's not really any Cardano coins from my understanding other than SNEC. If you want to take a look at the price of SNEC right here, it's currently at a pretty drastic drop, but that's SNEC, and it's currently at $100 million market cap, so not as large as any of the memes of Solana that reach $1 billion market cap, or the Ethereum that are in the $20 billion market cap. Like I said before, my heart is with Cardano, and SNEC is the only meme coin on there, so there's not really much competition. And honestly, even me launching this coin, I am not a competitor with SNEC. I love SNEC, I have SNEC, and I hope SNEC does well, but I just feel like there should be more room for more meme coins, which is why I decided to do my research and not know how to code a coin. So I decided to ask around on Twitter. I got a couple good responses. Thank you to everybody that helped out. But I decided in the end, you know what? Let me just use AI, and I'll just do it that way. So I'll just ask ChatGPT, how to create a meme coin on Cardano, because I don't. Sounds like a lot of work. Guess I gotta make a website, a logo, and all that. Can you draw me a crypto token logo? Let's see. Well then, guess we'll go to Midjourney then. All right, Midjourney. Can you create a token logo for me? I am a human. Alright guys, this is going to be the next big thing. This art is going to look amazing. AI is the future. Let's see what it gives me. Can it blow people's brains away with, what is that? I'll do it myself. Give me 1 second.
1 hour later.
Alright, so I am now back, and I decided to create my token. This is the logo. Just deal with it. That's the best I can do. Take it or leave it. Simple, minimalistic, amazing. The bag, like the phrase, secure the bag, chase the bag. No, just me. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and see if it can create the token for me. Create a Cardano native token. Meme. All right. Create a website for this token. Can you code this? Alright, this is gonna be easier than I thought.
1 hour later.
Alright, so even though it coded it for me, I still could not figure it out. So I just went on those build your own websites, and I made one. So yeah, check out the Twitter. It's gonna be right there in the link in bio. I'll also put it in the description down below. But the ticker is BAG, and I actually launched it just 2 days ago, just as a test to see if I actually could do it. And I think I did it, so it is live. I also created a website, bagadacoin.com. And let's actually take a look at the website. It's not fully finished, but it's 90% done. But yeah, this is the BAG coin. We got a meme coin. Got a nice little text here. Secure the bag. About the bag. We got a little nice bio. How to buy bag. Nice, easy, simple, step-by-step tutorial. And this is the policy ID down below. You can copy and paste this. I'll show you right now, actually, on MinSwap how to do it, just so you don't have any issues. Here's the tokenomics. We got 95% in the liquid pool, 4% reserve, marketing, exchange listings, expansion opportunities, and I will own 1%. Now, before you say anything, Satoshi Nakamoto has 5% of the supply. Just saying. So I don't think 1% is too much, At least I'm transparent about it. Not like those other people that are rug pulling and have like 50% of the supply. So full transparency. And 1 billion tokens. I like this number just because I don't like seeing a bunch of zeros like Shiba Inu. And yeah, it's just much easier to see like what price it is and what's your entry price, average price, and all that good stuff. And then what else we got? Oh yeah, we got a disclaimer. Bag is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. There is no formal team or roadmap. The coin is for entertainment purposes only. And these are the official links. Like I said, I'm still updating this. I just need to add this on MinSwap and DEX tools. I just added it on the Cardano registry token. That thing took forever to do. I really did not know if I even did it correctly, but guess we'll find out in a couple days. But the token is live right now. The only thing is you won't see this image logo on the token. So let me actually help you out on how to search it. And yeah, let's get straight into that. So the first thing you want to do is go to MinSwap, app.minswap.org. Then you're going to go to trade. Then obviously you get your ADA, got to connect your wallet, obviously. And then after that, we're going to copy and paste the policy ID. And then you can see it pop up right there, bag. And then you can just, buy however much, bag coins you want. Like I said, 1 billion supply. The reason why you see a bunch of ups and downs right now is because for some reason there's already buys and sell orders. And I looked into it. It just looks like there's like a bunch of bots out there that are buying like tokens the second they release. But it's kind of a good thing that, I launched this, 2 days ago, just because like these bots have already kind of like, did their thing. They bought and sold already. So I don't know. It should be good by now. Hopefully there's no more bots in the future. But yeah, very excited. The bag coin is available. Like I said, I just registered on Cardano token registry. So the image should be popping up within a couple days, maybe by the time I'm uploading this video. If not, then there's a policy ID number. Copy and paste it and connect your wallet, and then there you go. It's just a fun little meme coin just to see where this goes. Not gonna expect much. Not even shooting for any goals like millions of dollar market cap. I just thought it was fun. I really wanted to be a part of this culture and wanted to create my own token. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one, and secure the bag, chase the bag, as they say. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.